Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Tuesday, March the 10th. Markets bounced back a little bit anyways after the sell-off slide that we saw last week on Friday. The E-mini S&P added a third of a percent at 2,078, up 7 points. Dow futures led the way, gaining 0.75%, up 109 at 17,970, and the Nasdaq was up 8.5 at 44.13 and 1/2. The dollar is the story once again, making new highs, 97.84 yesterday, ended up finishing down 3 ticks at 97.58, so it did come off. The euro currency went as low as 108.36, so some new relative lows there. 108.60 was the close, a positive close to keep an eye on anyways. Bonds saw some continued flight to quality, up 1 full basis point, 156.23 in the June contract that we're now trading. And crude oil was steady, up 40 cents at $50. Exactly $50 a barrel was the closing price yesterday, with the high 50.80 and the low 49.25. And gold firmed. It was not down. It was up $2 at 11.66 after the slide that we saw on Friday. So after a bit of a bounce, where do things stand here on this Tuesday morning? Well, we're selling down once again. We're down more than 0.5% in the stock indexes. 2062 down 16 in the S&P, down 140 points in the Dow futures at 17,830, and down 32 points in the Nasdaq at 43.82. The surge in the dollar has continued, up another 84 ticks, 98.42, pushing the euro currency down 107.55, down 118. So continued trend strength going there. Bonds are up 10 ticks at 157.10. The yield on the 10-year is at 2.78, and the 30-year 2.78, and the 10-year note 2.17. Crude oil's down 40 cents at 49.60 with that strong dollar, and gold's backing down another $5 at 11.62. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we have some weakness once again, pushing those lows from last Friday down 0.5% and more across the board, down 16 in the S&P, down 140 in the Dow, and down 32 in the Nasdaq 100 futures. I will see you early Wednesday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.